Hello everyone, this printer is HP DeskJet 2810e series. Want to show you how to replace the ink cartridges. Open the ink access door, then you wait for the ink holder to move and position itself. To replace the ink, just pull the ink down, put one finger on top, pull it down. So this is how to remove the ink. If you want to put the ink back, the colored one goes to the left, the black goes to the right. Make sure this chip part, contact part, need to go inside, so the color goes to the left. Once you go in, pull it up. The black one goes to the right, go in, then pull it up. So this is how to replace or install the ink. Then close the ink access door. Then you wait and give the printer time. Holder will move from the center and position itself to the corner. If you open it up again, you see that the ink holder is no longer on the center. It will come back to the center and ready for ink replacement or ink change. Just need to pull it down, press and remove it. Thank you very much indeed.